the question that we've been asked is, let's say I have a new matter or an existing matter, and I have dockets in Excel. Can I import them to uLaw? The answer is pretty easy. What we have is in import, we have several integrations. We import with Conveyancer. We import with our own software. You can export from one matter and then import into another matter. We also have a generic fee and disbursement CSV with which we integrate. So let me show you that format. The format is you have date in column A, time or amount. You can say 30 minutes. You can say $100.20. You can put a dollar sign and say 145. You can even express time in hour and minutes, like an hour and 20 minutes. You give what the title is, our fee, initial client meeting, and import, document drafting, and you also give a description, what this is all about. Once you do this, then what you can do is you can go into our matter and you can actually click on our import. So for this, I'm going to create a brand new matter. Let me do that. Let me take Adam Brown, go into his matter, and I'll create a brand new matter. Trying importing. Now hit the save button. I'm going to say import, and then let's say fees. Okay, and I'll choose that file, the file, the CSV that I created, right? This particular Excel file, right? I'm just going to import it. I'll say upload. When I upload, what uLaw will do is it analyze all the line items and it brings it. As you saw here, the first line item, 30 minutes. This one is an hour and 20 minutes, document drafting. And then you just take action. You say add that. If it's already imported, you don't do anything, but then you can add that one. You can choose to do what you want. And as you see in the background, it's adding. When you've completed all the action, close. uLaw gives you this extra docket which you don't need, so you can just get rid of it and just say, hey, I'm importing these 4 dockets, all the description, the time, and the billable hours, everything is imported as you see, and then you just hit the save button. Again, let me summarize. To summarize, you will just first prepare your CSV this way. Column A is date, column B is either time or amount. Amount will be with decimal, time will be with colon, and obviously then you will have title, then the description. And to import, you click on the import button. You have to choose what type. We want you to choose this generic format called fee CSV, and we have the same thing for disbursement CSV as well. And then you can choose file at